Go! Marunong nang mag-bike si Chrislyn May. Marunong na rin mag-scooter si Christoph dyan. Ay, kaskasera ka mo anak. Not too fast ah. Wow, good job ate ah. Naglamog sa. Ka-short na lang. That's cool ate. Now you know.
Because Daddy teach me.
Daddy teach you. Oh, be careful, you're gonna fall.
Daddy
Wow.
teach me how to do it 2 times.
2 times.
Right? 2 times. And whenever I want to go somewhere, I have to turn like this. My classmate says that
Oh, not too fast, Christoph dyan. You're gonna fall there.
Nevaeh has a bike like me. Hers is just red. Hers is just Elsa. But we have an Elsa scooter. She said, bring your Elsa scooter tomorrow. She said.
Oh, yeah?
But bring your baby brother with it.
Okay. Ay, sus! Ay, sus! Ayos ah. Ayos ate ah. Oh! Ay! Ay! You're gonna fall down there, anak. Stairs yan.
Oh my God!
Bulbulataw. Good job, good job. Be careful ah, pag may sasakyan pa. Chrislyn. Kasera. That's cool, ate.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Slow down to the brake. Like that.
Good job ah. Christoph mo ini kuyat mga kuyat. Good job, Christoph.
Eyes on the road.
Eyes on the road.
Eyes on the road. Eyes on the road. Oh.
Oh, you okay?
Stop it.
Yeah, I like got a little scratch.
No, just you know you bump somewhere.
Nay, 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 nay.
You should brake.
Gayahin naman ni ate na. Bump na mag-scooter mo.
Mommy! Mommy!
Yeah.
Ooh.
Don't bump your scooter.
Can be broken?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, be careful. Oh, there's a car. Ito isa pa pa na
Mommy!
bakit di pa pa na nailugan mo? Oh. Pa.
Just slow down.
Oh, slow down. There's a car, anak. Shh. Buti doon. Tayo saan?
Hindi lang.
Ha? Let's go na, let's go na.
Go. Tomorrow.